Hi, my name is Charles, and I want to talk to you about something very important. No, I'm not talking about Tia Tequila or even Lady Gaga. I'm talking about puppy mares. That's right, puppy mares. Does your puppy suffer from puppy mares? Puppy mares is a debilitating disease that strikes one in every 1 billion puppies. And my puppy, Ted, he has puppy mares. I don't know if you know you can help, but you can. You can give to the Puppy Mare Foundation so that little puppies like Ted won't have puppy mares. Puppy mares. It's serious, people. Little puppies just in your sleep. Who in the heck knows what they're thinking about? I promised myself I wasn't gonna cry. Turn it off. Turn it off. Turn it off. No, wait. No, turn it off. No, wait.